Welcome to Taman Sari Waterfall Natural Pool. Hey little friend. Hi. 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 Girl, she's pumping, but you can't disagree with the flow in Bali. Jeez, man. That's wild. Pumping, eh? How you doing? Wow. Welcome to Taman Sari Waterfall Natural Pool. Alright, next adventure. In this little path and down we go. It's cost $3 to get in here today. And the other one cost $2.50, so reasonable prices. They have put a lot of effort into making it tourist friendly, that's for sure. Wow. Got a little ticket book, little ticket pump. And this one actually wasn't one I was going to do, but we're going to do another one, but it was already closed. It's 5 o'clock, they close them, so we had to resort to a quick plan B. Hey little friend. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Ma?
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Girl, she's pumping, but you can't disagree with the flow in Bali. Jeez, man. That's wild. Shop's closed. The timber's covered up. I don't know why I went down here and the steps over there. Man, she's wild. Don't look too bad. It just wasn't a straight drop that I was hoping to get on this other secret waterfall, but how you doing? It's a little weird down there. Wow. Little sugar pop up here. You know what's been biting me already? Should be doing the rock sandals this for sure. Wow, she's got some force in her. Holy hell. It's almost as crazy as the Upper Hastings River. Woohoo! That is wild. Hardcore, eh? What a spot. Go look at the lower falls in a second here. Trying to get an angle photo of this top one. Bottom level, man. There's a trip dropping in here too, that's fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed that journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe for me. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already so you can get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.